placing the pedals on your bike, you will need a 15mm spanner. Make sure that we have the correct pedal for the correct side of the bike. This is the right hand side of my bike where my right foot goes, and this pedal has an R on the end of it showing that it's the right hand side pedal. Take it to the crank and then we are screwing it forward into the crank. This should be very smooth and very easy to do. If it's sticky or stiff, then please take it out and start again. Use your spanner just to tighten up a little at the end. It doesn't need to be over tightened. Again, with the left hand side pedal, where your left foot goes, check that you have the left pedal. This one has an L for left. Take it to the crank, and once again we're going forward towards the front of the bike. And to tighten, 15mm spanner. There we are, pedals on, good to go.